Welcome to PLM, a professional one-stop manufacturer of filter production equipment. We provide complete services, including equipment customization, raw material matching, installation, commissioning and after-sales maintenance, helping customers build factories and start production easily. Our full automatic production lines can efficiently produce air, oil and air conditioner filters. Every equipment is finally debugged by professional engineers before delivery with strict quality control, well packed and delivered safely to customers all over the world. With 36 years of manufacturing experience, our equipment is exported to Mexico, Brazil, Russia and other overseas markets. We have won wide recognition from global customers with reliable quality and consider cross-border services. Choose PLM for win-win cooperation. We sincerely welcome global customers to contact us.